What's up, guys? Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going to be doing a little walk around on a 1970 Challenger convertible. We're going to be putting the top down in this video, and then the next video we're going to do a test drive. I try to make videos every single day of all the classic cars up here at Maple Motors. Check our website out, maplemotors.com, for financing information, shipping, and extra detailed pictures. I have close to 100 of each car. Also, if you like seeing these videos, hit that subscribe button. I post them every single day, or at least I try to. This car here's got a 318 under the hood. Starts up nice and easy. We're gonna start up here in the front, picking out the flaws. The bumper's got some blemishes in it. It is not perfect. Little scratch on the side here. Tires are in good shape. Almost new. Little scratch here. Another chip right there in the door. A few little bubbles popping up on the bottom of the door here. Gonna check the whole bottom half. There's a spot right there. Trying to zoom in on it for you. And in the back here. Coming back up on top of the door here. Little chip there. Paint job's definitely not perfect. Some haziness on the mirrors. Top seems to be in pretty good shape. Got some bubbles popping up on the back fender. Chrome doesn't look bad on the back bumper. Dual exhaust out the back. There's a spot right here in the paint. Gas cap, little paint's coming off of it. Little bubbles right there. Here's a chip. The bottom of this panel here, it's got a lot of little bubbles and rust in it. You can see them popping up. The front of the door's got a few bubbles popping up on it. There's a chip in this door. Coming back up to the top, you can tell it's been down a long time because it's kind of wrinkly looking. The sun should stretch it out today with the heat. Spot on the hood right here. Like I said, 318 under the hood. It says 340 on the hood, but it's not what it is. We'll go ahead and get the keys and pop the trunk. I'm gonna open the trunk real quick, check it out. Got a spare tire in here. We're gonna move it up out of the way. Look around in the trunk area. Nice and solid up under the mat. Check both sides, spare jack. Weather stripping's a bit older, but it's still soft. It should be doing its job. Nice and dry in here, and it did rain yesterday for a little bit. It shuts pretty good. All right, we're gonna go ahead and check out the interior now. Door panel looks pretty good on this one. Weather stripping needs to be secured up. It's been on there a little while. Carpet's a bit faded in the back. Nothing major there. Your top cover. I'll show you the bottoms of the seats, and we'll end up dropping the top. Let's see if I can get this thing up. There we go. Dash pad's in pretty good shape. Go ahead, place your bets. Do you think the horn works on this one? Top looks decent from the inside. I'm gonna do the test drive as soon as we get back from lunch, so I'm gonna leave the top up for now, just in case it tries to rain on us. And we'll do the convertible top in the test drive video, so be sure to check out the test drive video if you're interested in this car. It's showing 14,000 miles on the dash. Starts up nice and easy, pretty quiet. Temperature's still cold on this one. The gas takes about half, and we do have the faceplate to the radio in the office. Try our blower motor. Blower motor's not working on this one. Windshield wipers working. Horn works. Some speakers in the kick panel, or kick panels down here. Got some Sonys. Like I said, we're gonna drop the top on the test drive video, so check that out, just in case it rains while we're gone. It's shutting the hood down on this one. I noticed right here on the front of the hood it does have some cracks and a little bit of rust down in the nose. There's some cracks right here in the back side. See them up close. Check the other side of the hood. So in this area. All right, I'm gonna be giving y'all some undercarriage shots. Before we end this video, we're gonna go up under the front, the driver's side, the rear, and the passenger. And when we get back from lunch, we're gonna take off and do a test drive. Drop the top and point out any kind of flaws running and driving wise. Definitely check out both videos. Do have close to 100 detailed pictures at maplemotors.com. All right, let's go up under here. I do appreciate y'all watching this video. If you have any other questions, visit maplemotors.com. Close to 100 detailed pictures, financing information, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories. You can also ship these all over the country. And I post videos almost every single day, so hit that subscribe button. I'll have some more for you. Test drive video should be located in the last 30 seconds of this one, so check that out. I do appreciate y'all watching. Have a good one.